Hey guys, so we just got this package from Disney Parks and we're going to unbox it and see what goodies they brought for us to do our Disney Parks guys. So I'm here with Gio and Sebastian and we're going to open our Disney Parks Playdate box. Alright guys, why don't you go ahead and open it and see what we got.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
And there's an Elsa doll with pajamas.
Oh, what else is in there?
There's more relaxing from a princess.
A princess costume.
A Playata.
A Lion King pinata. Let me see.
Popcorn.
Oh.
Inside sugar. Cupcakes. Oh my god, what is this? Oh yeah, so nice.
What is that? Ooh, a party game from the Lion King?
Oh my god! It's a big smooshy face with a heart.
That's super cute.
He's winking at you.
That's very cute. What else is in there? What?
Oh.
Yeah, we will. Ooh, that's our table cover for the Lion King. What else is in there?
There's a lot of things in here. Let me get all of it out. Lion King cups.
Let me see.
Stickers. Lion King.
Oh my gosh, our friends are going to be super excited that we're having a Lion King themed party.
Yeah. Wait, there's more? There's like two stuff.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Mommy, sticker here.
Balloons.
Yeah. Ooh.
I want blow them.
But
We
see,
will.
is there anything hiding under this?
So we're super excited, guys, and we'll be sharing more about our Disney Parks Playdate soon.